Ever wondered how long it takes for Airwallex to process your payments? It's a question that's top of mind for many businesses using this popular global payment platform. In this video, we're diving deep into Airwallex's processing times, exploring factors that can influence speed, and offering tips to optimize your transactions. Imagine you're in a rush to make a critical payment. You need it processed ASAP. But how long will you have to wait? Let's find out. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand a bit about Airwallex. As a leading global payment platform, Airwallex offers a range of services, including cross-border payments, currency exchange, and embedded finance solutions. Processing times, the basics. Generally, Airwallex prides itself on its fast processing times. For most standard transactions, you can expect payments to be processed within a few hours or even minutes. However, there are several factors that can influence the exact processing time. Payment method: the method you choose can affect processing speed. Credit card payments often have faster processing times compared to bank transfers. Currency: transactions involving multiple currencies may take slightly longer due to exchange rate calculations and international transfers. Transaction amount: larger transactions might require additional verification, potentially extending processing time. Peak hours: during peak usage periods, processing times could experience slight delays. Factors affecting processing speed. Regulatory compliance: Airwallex must adhere to various regulations, including anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, requirements. These checks can sometimes add to processing time, especially for new accounts or large transactions. Technical issues: like any online platform, Airwallex can occasionally encounter technical glitches or system outages. These can temporarily disrupt processing. Bank delays: even after Airwallex processes a transaction, it may still need to be routed through your bank system. Delays within your bank's network can impact the overall time it takes for funds to reach your recipient. Tips for faster processing. Verify your account information. Ensure that your account details, including your name, address, and bank information, are accurate and up to date. Incorrect information can cause delays. Provide necessary documentation. If required, submit any requested documents promptly to avoid delays due to missing information. Avoid peak hours. If possible, schedule your transactions outside of peak usage times to reduce processing time. Contact Airwallex support. If you're experiencing significant delays or have concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Airwallex's customer support team. They can provide assistance and troubleshoot any issues. In conclusion, Airwallex generally offers fast processing times for most transactions. However, various factors can influence the exact speed. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can optimize your transactions and minimize processing time. Have you had any experiences with Airwallex's processing times? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're considering using Airwallex for your business, be sure to check out their website for more information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.